First, we have a Commando 800. It's got a mower deck. It's got the original seat on it, as you can see there. It's very well cracked. It's got the original motor as far as I can see, and everything works on it. Gas tank is a little bubbly. Don't know why that is. Probably someone tried to put gas in it after they, painted it. But this is the most recent. We got this Monday of last week. Yeah. Okay, we got a Commando, Wheelhorse C100, 8-speed. It's also got the original seat on it right there. The seat is a little messed up right there. It's got a snowplow on it, but it is very well jerry-rigged. As you can see in the back here, there are no hangers. No hangers right there. Unlike this one that has these hangers right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a major thing. And well, this of course you already know is my Commando 800. First tractor I've ever owned. I recently had problems with it, and it's filing the spark plug again. I had that problem up in Raccoon for a lawn mower show. Had to borrow a spark plug off a buddy of mine, and well, I didn't even actually know him, but he had an extra spark plug he let us keep and use. So that's my first one. And this one under this tarp is a fully restored. $877. I recently just did all these wheels, and this also has the original seat. Very little crack there. That's about it. And original seat, you know. Now, if you could also leave in the comment section, right here where this thing moves, there's supposed to be forward, a neutral, and a reverse. And it's also supposed to have a lock. Lock right there or someplace. I need some help with that. I need to know if that's hand painted on, and if I could stencil it on, or if it's totally, decals. Yes, I realized this when I bought it, that the decals are on the wrong side. This decal here should be on this side, and this side should be on this side. So, it's a little few things. It's a nice tractor. It runs great. It's an automatic. It's got, no, it don't have hangers on it for a plow or anything, but it is one of the best looking tractors I've owned in a long time. And, well, that's a little sample of what I have. I think I may start to, I don't know when I'll start. I'll be making another video shortly about all these tractors, and then I'll start each one up and maybe ride it alone a little bit. And come spring, I'll make another video. But I can start one. I think right now. I think I'll start the C100. Open this. It's very nice out tonight. Very, very nice. Alright, let me see if I can find a place to put my iPod. Oh, that's another thing. I'm also trying to hope to get a camera. So, here it goes. Oh, that's my Uncle Mike. Sorry about that, guys, but that's why I want a camera. My iPod just fell. Hope you saw some of that. I was in first low as I tried to describe it as. But this thing, it's pretty good. This thing is awesome. It had some major problems. I had to take the whole entire gas tank off, drain it. I had to take the coil off, and I had to make a new throttle. Yeah, I had to make a new choke, I mean. Throttle's fine. The choke, it was, how this cover comes up to the engine block, it was shoved up under there and it was frozen at the same time, so I couldn't, so it wouldn't run. But my friend told me about it, and, it was about 150 in that GT 1412 or something, or 16 or something. I'll look it up. I'll have it on one of my pictures. Like I said, it'll need a starter, so if any of you guys know about a starter, that'd be great. This is my latest one. Like I said, the Commando 800. I'm planning on, if you guys know about Wheel Horse in Gettysburg in June 23rd and stuff, I'll be there. I'll have the Commando 800 because it'll be a feature, and I'll also have the 877 because I feel that it's pretty good. Wheel Horse broke off. If you saw earlier, it broke off. I have it right here. See, it's not the best looking thing, but it's nicely redone. And like I said, if you guys know about this pinstriping, or if it's decals, or you have to paint it on, that'd be most appreciative. And this thing's good. I'll be making a video of this too. Don't worry. I'll be making videos, of this stuff. But this thing's fun because it's got the low. My grandpa's teasing me that we should go pulling with it. Because it's got the granny low and granny low, second and third. And high's alright, all the gears are quiet in it, so I haven't tested this out, but the lights do work. And also, you may see me be riding around on my sulky right there.